How to see how many streams a song has on Spotify. So if you want to see how many streams a song has on Spotify, then first open up your Spotify application. Once you've opened your Spotify, now you can simply choose any artist that you would like or any song that you would like. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, you can simply go for the artist name or the song, tap on that, and then it will take you to this kind of page. So here you can see that under the name of that artist, you will have the monthly listeners. So you can get some idea about the streams with the monthly listeners. Or if you scroll down here, you will have songs, right? So on the bottom of that song, you will have the listeners or the monthly listeners, or you will have the streams of that particular song. So here in my region it's not available, but in some regions it's available. You can simply have the stream under that song name. So that's it. That's how you can see how many streams a song has on Spotify. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.